Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove Google account in Redmi 14C device. So for this guys, first of all, go to settings and then scroll so that on this section, we have an option of Google account. Just tap to Google. Now, as you see, I already have signed in one account, but I want to add another account. So all you guys have to do just tap here and then click to add another account. After that guys, just provide the email here, then click next. After that guys, just enter the password here and then click next. If you want to save the password guys, you can click on save, and if you don't want, so you can click not now. I am clicking not now here and then click I agree. Okay, so as you see guys, the Google account is now successfully added to my Redmi 14C device. Okay guys, so that was the method for adding the Google account. Now if you want to remove the Google account, so all you guys have to do again, just go to additional setting here and then scroll so that we have an option of account and signs. So just tap here and then click to Google. As you see, I have both accounts here, and this is the account which I just add on my device. So I want to remove this account again. So all you guys have to do, just tap this account and then click to more. Now as you see, we have option of sign now and then remove account. So if you want to remove account, so all we guys have to do, just tap to remove account and then click remove account again. So as you see, the Google account that I just added on my device is now removed again. So that's how we can add or remove Google account in Redmi 14C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.